Guys, I'm showing you this elemental iconic kids insulated water bottle with straw and lid. Is a unicorn design that we got to test and try. So first impression with the packing is a good packing, and then the bottle itself is really nice. This one have a straw lid. So this pop it Fidget handle is really a nice thing to play. It's a leak proof when closed water bottle kit. So stainless steel bottle, 14 ounce. So let's just test and try. So as you can see, here is the stainless steel inside, and the everything is looks really good. So let me just take out everything. Comes with the two straws and the lid itself, the manual. So the design is really, bright and nicely printed. Inside is all stainless steel, as you can see it here. The handle looks really good with this pop-it game. And two straw to add. So it's a straw lid. So the total height is around 7.75. It's a 14 ounce, and you can just press this to suck up the water, and it's around 11 ounce of the weight. So it's a multifunction sport lid with a slow ice melt thing because of the stainless steel thing. So and a non-slip removable silicone bottom. So this one, if you can see, you can adjust the handle or you can just do the pop-it game. And this is basically a very nice design. I will say I have not seen a pop-it game with a water bottle before. So for me, it's a new thing and a good thing for storing the cold water. In the hands also looks really nice. With the kid's hand also looks really nice and easily handled and used. So a very nice design and a very nice bottle for the kids to use with a pop-it game handle.